Discipline is the foundation upon which all success is built. It is the cornerstone of achievement, the silent force behind greatness, and the trait that separates those who merely dream from those who make their dreams a reality. Without discipline, ambition is like a ship without a rudder. It drifts aimlessly, carried by the winds of circumstance. But with discipline, you can steer that ship toward any destination you choose. Discipline begins with a decision, a choice to take control of your life and to master your habits rather than being mastered by them. It's not about luck, and it's not about talent. It's about consistently doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Discipline is about committing to the process day in and day out, regardless of the obstacles, distractions, or temptations that try to pull you off course. The greatest victories are won in the small moments and the choices we make every day. It's choosing to rise early when it would be easier to sleep in. It's saying no to the fleeting pleasures that offer immediate gratification but rob you of long-term success. It's sticking to your goals even when the initial excitement is faded, and all that remains is the grind of the journey. Discipline requires you to understand the difference between what is easy and what is necessary. It's easy to procrastinate, to delay, to make excuses. But success doesn't respond to excuses, it responds to effort. It's necessary to put in the work, to persevere, to stay focused. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Without it, dreams remain dreams, beautiful but unattainable. With it, dreams become plans, and plans become reality. Discipline is not about deprivation, it's about direction. It's not about punishment, it's about purpose. It's about doing what you must so you can become who you want to be. It's about delaying today's comfort for tomorrow's greatness. Discipline demands effort, but it also rewards that effort tenfold. It builds character, strengthens resolve, and gives you the confidence to tackle challenges head-on. Many people look for shortcuts to success, but the truth is, there are no shortcuts. Success is earned one step at a time, one disciplined action after another. The world does not reward wishful thinking, it rewards consistent, deliberate action. Discipline is the price you pay for the life you want, and it's a price worth paying. The pain of discipline is far less than the pain of regret. Regret is the bitter realization that you could have done more, tried harder, or stayed the course. Discipline, on the other hand, gives you peace of mind. It assures you that you've done your best, that you've given your all, and that you've left no stone unturned. When you're disciplined, you can look back on your efforts with pride, knowing that you've honored your commitments to yourself. Discipline teaches you the value of time. Time is your most precious resource, and how you use it determines the quality of your life. A disciplined person doesn't waste time on trivialities or distractions. They focus on what matters, on what moves them closer to their goals. They understand that every minute counts, and that time wasted is opportunity lost. Discipline helps you prioritize your actions and align them with your purpose. Discipline also teaches you resilience. Life will throw challenges your way, and it's discipline that keeps you standing when the storms come. It's what helps you push through when the odds are stacked against you. Discipline is the inner strength that allows you to keep going, even when the path is steep and the journey is long. It's what separates the committed from the complacent, the doers from the dreamers. If you want to change your life, start with discipline. Start by mastering the small things, your mornings, your routines, your habits. The small things compound over time and lead to big results. Discipline is not something you're born with. It's something you develop through practice and persistence. The more you practice discipline, the stronger it becomes, and the easier it is to maintain. Remember, discipline is not a one-time effort, it's a lifelong commitment. It's about showing up every day, putting in the work, and staying the course. It's about refusing to settle for mediocrity and striving for excellence in everything you do. Discipline is the key to unlocking your potential, to achieving your dreams, and to living a life of purpose and fulfillment. So don't wait for motivation to strike. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the right circumstances. Start now with what you have and where you are. Take the first step, and then the next, and then the next. Let discipline guide you, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Discipline is everything. It's the foundation of success, the path to greatness, and the secret to a life well lived. Embrace it, cultivate it, and let it transform you. Because when you master discipline, you master yourself. And when you master yourself, there is nothing you cannot achieve.